Hello, everyone. Welcome to Clara Daily English. Let's learn and practice together.
Are you ready? I am right here.
Right here? I feel very nervous. Don't let go of my hand, Dad.
Ha!
I am scared. The bike is shaking.
Keep looking forward, sweetie.
Oh. Mia is down. My knee hurts. I feel stuck.
Are you okay? That was scary.
Yes, it was scary.
Nature can be strong, but you are safe. Oh, this is a secret treasure. The magic stars will protect you.
Protect me?
Drink some water. Breathe in.
I am breathing.
I lost my magic. I want to stop.
Falling is a secret way to learn.
To learn?
But I am not brave.
You are brave. You just need time.
Look! They are fast! You can be fast too, Mia. I want to try again. Try again! That is wonderful.
The bike is ready for you.
Go, Mia! You can discover it! I believe in you! Remember to breathe. Step 1, breathe. Step 2, enjoy.
Are you ready for an adventure?
Yes! Let's go!
You are doing great.
Doing great? I feel nervous.
The wind is very peaceful and beautiful.
We are moving fast.
Moving fast. You are brave.
Can I let go?
Let go?
Not yet.
I think you've got it.
Yes, I got it.
You can do it. Try, try, try.
You are riding alone.
Riding alone? Oh my God. I feel very nervous. The stars protect me. I am safe. I am balancing it. She is doing it. Doing it. Go, Mia! Oh no, a dog.
A dog? I am sorry.
I must stop now. Stopped safely? Yes, I did.
You are very brave.
Brave? Thank you, sir.
The air is beautiful.
First, You lost balance.
Then I stopped safely. I discover a secret. Falling makes me brave.
Yes, falling is okay.
Are you ready now? Ready now?
I am ready.
Look at her go! She is flying now!
I am not scared. I am brave.
This feels beautiful.
Wait for me, Mia. Wait for you? Run faster. Hello there. Hello. I am riding too.
The sky is so beautiful and very peaceful.
A bump. I must balance. Keep your balance. My balance is good. I did it! So proud!
First, she was scared.
Scared? But now she is brave. She lost balance and fell.
Fell down, but stood up again.
She found the secret. The secret, it is the balance. This is a great adventure. The wind is strong. I will try to keep pedaling. I am stronger than wind. The wind is gone. It is peaceful now. I am coming back. Coming back! Yay! Yeah! I need to stop. I did it!
Yes, you did, Mia. So proud of you, sweetie.
My treasure is right here. Your treasure is your brave heart.
You are amazing.
Amazing? Thank you, Daddy.
Are you tired?
Tired? No, I feel proud. Drink this cool water. Thank you, Daddy. Is it my turn? Your turn? Soon, Leo.
It is a beautiful evening.
Yes, very beautiful.
Goodbye, little dog. Goodbye, dog. See you.
It is time to go.
Your head is free. Free and very safe.
I will push the bike.
Push the bike? Thank you.
Look! The beautiful stars! The stars are shining! They protect the sky.
Look at the giant moon! A giant moon indeed! I was very nervous.
But you were very brave.
Goodbye, beautiful park. We will come back tomorrow.
Are you proud today? Proud today?
Yes, very proud.
We have our great treasure. Our treasure is family.
I love my red bike.
Your bike loves you too.
Step 1, breathe.
Step 2, enjoy the night.
I will try again tomorrow.
Try again tomorrow?
Always. Good night, beautiful world.
Good night, magic bicycle.
The air is sweet.
Sweet air? Yes, it is.
The wheels are spinning. Woo! Spinning safely now. I like the shadows. The shadows are very long. We are home now.
Home now.
I am happy. The bike is resting.
Resting? Good night, red bike.
My heart is brave. A brave heart is beautiful.
Let's wash our hands, Mia and Leo.
The water feels nice. Nice and fresh. I love the bubbles. Bubbles are fun. I am totally clean. Clean and very beautiful.
Here is warm milk.
Warm milk? Thank you, Mom. It is very sweet. Sweet and very good.
Today was a big adventure.
A big adventure indeed. My car is fast. Fast like the bicycle. I discovered balance.
Balance is a great secret. You never gave up.
Gave up? No, I tried.
We are always together.
Always together. I feel safe. I feel very sleepy. Sleepy? It is time. Let's go to sleep.
To sleep. Good night.
See you tomorrow, bike. Tomorrow is a new adventure. My bed is so soft.
You are safe here.
Safe here?
Yes, Mom.
Time for a bedtime story.
This is a beautiful story. A beautiful story?
I love it. I am totally peaceful now.
The bird discovered the wind.
Discovered the wind? Like me.
Good night, my brave girl.
Sweet dreams, my beautiful treasure.
My beautiful treasure. Good night, Mom.
She is finally sleeping.
Sleeping perfectly. A good day.
Falling down is not bad.
First, we feel very scared. We fall and feel lost. But family makes us safe.
Then, we discover our balance.
Falling is a beautiful secret.
It teaches us to try. Always try again tomorrow.
You are always completely safe.
Family makes us truly brave.
Good morning, beautiful sun. I am a brave girl. Good morning, Red Bike.
Are you ready for today?
Ready for today? Always. We have our water bottle.
Water bottle is very important.
Yes, it is.
Yeah.
Let's go discover the park. I am not nervous today.
Not nervous. You are strong.
Thanks, Dad.
The great adventure continues.
The bird is singing happily.
Always try again. Goodbye.
Goodbye, safe family. See you on the next journey. Subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff. Stay safe and keep learning.